Alright, I'm going to be talking about React.js. I've never worked with it before. It's kind of like jQuery in a lot of ways though, or like Angular I mean really, but definitely a different approach on it. I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty powerful. So this is kind of works here. So we're in a JavaScript file. I'm going to go ahead and declare a variable. Actually, we're going to do that on the next stage. So the way this all works is, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. So we call this library, we tell it to render, and then we pass it an argument first. So I'm going to pass it this, which typically you can't do in JavaScript, right, is write these things. That's kind of cool. Oh man, I think I have to write this. This is a bad example. For the sake of Code Academy, I guess I have to do this. And I just decided to do this because it's simple and it's already set up rather than running my own lab. Okay, right, so I tell it to render, I pass it the element I want, that's the first argument. But second, this is where it's cool. So this goes and it appends it in the DOM to where it finds this element that I'm searching in the HTML, in the DOM tree over there. So they want me to pass it to container. And this is cool. So just like you would expect in normal JavaScript, get element by ID, and that's just a JavaScript function. You check in index here, and it shows you where it's going to place it. So I could, for example, if this had an ID, I could. Well, that's just a script. But if it was something else in here, I could. If it was like a p function with ID equals name, then I could go back in here, say get element ID by name, and it applies this immediately after it. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and do that, run it, blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever, cool. Let me show you how it kind of works here now. You can see it actually happen. So I declared this constant, called it myList. So now instead of passing the actual HTML tag, I can just pass it this variable here, myList, which contains these HTML tags together. Document.getElementById by ID app. So again, that's grabbing app in HTML, which we don't have access to this time, or maybe up here, but it puts it in there, la-da-da-da-da. It goes and inserts that into the DOM tree after app. And there we have hello there, professor. I could put anything. What up? Run it. Boom, bada bang. Pretty cool. Really powerful. I could see a lot of good things happening here. But I'm out of time. Thanks. This was a good opportunity.